May Mendoza update kasi rewind. Ay, nasasayaw si May, no? Pangangkit pa na sayaw ni May dyan. Rewind, the comeback stick. Enough. Enough. May cute. Galing ni May, no? Ayun na, tingin. Ang tawa. Ayun na, May cute.
Very good, very good.
Thank you, Dapper Cats, at maraming salamat sa Universal Dancers and Polycosmic Teen Squad.
Split kong babae. Saan
Mananalo. Pero hindi po kami kasama, ha? Kami tatlo.
Sila lang po, sila dalawa lang. Yan, naglalaban mo yan na
Bulaga.
Bulaga!
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Tara po ang short reaction vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.